Shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. We are super excited to have you guys here with us today at the Braille House.
Hi.
We were really disappointed because the 2020 Olympic team came out and none of us were on it. It was a shocker. I thought Gabe was gonna be on it. You know, doesn't matter because guess what? We will make our own Olympics without shoes. Today, we present to you Shoeless Olympics.
Do you think we inspired the Olympics to make skateboarding in the Olympics?
With a twist.
What's the twist?
The loser has to wax one of their armpits.
No.
I already know I'm gonna lose. A whole armpit?
There's no way you can ever get me to do that. I promise you it won't happen. I'll fight all of you before I shave my armpit.
An argument can be made for another location, but some part of your body has to be waxed. Especially that.
Anything but my armpit. Like, no, there's no way.
Because it's very painful?
It's very sensitive and pain. You have no idea.
I already know I'm gonna
I've
lose.
had it happen to me in the army while I'm like sleeping and somebody just comes and lathers it up and just, like, no, I will not.
Let's do this.
Okay, do you guys want an explanation of all the events first or just the first one? Longest power slide is, as we've done before, start at the line, power slide as long as you can, just without shoes on. The foot race, that one is gonna be a lot of fun. All of you guys are gonna go at the same time. You're gonna be sitting on your boards and you start on that bank. You have to roll down the bank, touch the wall ride, come back and then touch that wall. And then it's gonna be first, second, third, fourth ranked, like that.
On our butts?
On your butts, yes.
With no shoes.
With no shoes, because you're gonna be sliding all over the place. You can hold onto your board, but you can't use your hands to push. It has to be your feet. SMS Volume 1 challenge, ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, pop shove, front shove, heel flip, kick flip without shoes on. It's gonna be a time challenge. And the last one is the mini ramp dash. You guys are gonna start touching that wall. All of your boards are gonna be set up on the mini ramp. You guys, at the same time, as soon as we say go, you all run over to collect your boards. Whoever does a drop in, rock to fakie, tail stall in like first, second, third, fourth order wins.
Why do you have the most bloodbathish things when we don't have shoes on?
You wanna see my new dance move?
Yeah, I do actually.
You ready?
Does it involve hitting me?
What's up?
Dude, can I try?
Trademark it, hurry.
Kind of. It's more like this though. It's from the hips. You got. That's it.
all
That's
right,
it.
all right.
Wait, what are we doing? Oh yeah, there we go. Fortnite. I copywrote that. Don't steal it.
Okay, longest power slide. The order of events is Carlos, Nigel, Fetty, and then Aaron. So you're up first, Carlos. And let's get confirmation that all the shoes are off. Can I get all contestants' shoes off their feet, please? Thank you. Okay, Uzi, you got a ref for me. This is not allowed.
What?
You're already at an advantage because you have FP protective socks on. Okay, you guys start on this line right here.
Let's see out.
You get 3 tries each.
Dude, going on the wall ride with no shoes on is so scary.
Wow. Well done, Carlos. Thanks. All right, Aaron, what'd you think of that?
It was incredible. I feel like I'm gonna take last place in every event on this one.
All right, Nigel, you're up. Oh, and everyone make sure you watch where you step. There are probably some screws just everywhere. Oh. How was that, Nigel?
The wall is terrifying.
Wait a minute. Did you land it?
Yeah.
I don't know, I walked out.
Hey, win some, you lose some.
Wow.
Pretty much same spot. Dude. Fetty, you're up. Do you have any last words?
Wish I had shoes.
What just happened?
Wait, that's not that. No.
Right. I got so distracted. He like stopped and then kept going. Like, I don't know what happened.
How did that happen? That was insane.
How do you guys do that? There's one thing I don't mess around with and it's not wearing shoes.
If there's one advantage to wearing socks, though, it's that your socks grip the grip a lot better, right? Yeah. No? All right.
Why do I feel like this is farther than we went when we did it with shoes on?
I think it is.
It was way further. I think they cheated somehow.
The skate park has been at high levels of slippery lately. I don't know why. It's never ever been this slippery. An amazing display.
If you were a rider and you needed your hands to do your job, you don't play with piranhas.
No, it doesn't count. He didn't roll away. You got one more try.
Now I know what Bear feels like in the Braille house and why he hates it.
And we have the official ranking for event 1. In first place, Fetty Potter. In second place, Nigel Jones. Third place, Carlos Lastra. And in fourth place, Aaron Cairo.
Bro, I'm already injured. How do you do that? That didn't hurt the bottom of your feet like a mother? Dude, you guys are like inhumans.
Everyone grab your boards and head to the top of the platform.
Ow, ow, ow.
There's only a few rules you have to follow. You can't use your hands. No hands. You can only use your feet, and you have to be sitting on your butt. Okay? If you want to go fakie or regular, it's totally up to you. You start here, touching the wall with your back to the wall. You can go down whatever bank you want, take whatever route you want, but you have to touch the wall ride with your feet. And then you have to make it outside of the Braille house through the garage. And whoever goes outside first is going to be the winner. Are you guys ready? Any last words?
I've never been more excited in anything in my life.
I'm pleased.
I have a dream.
No.
3, 2, 1, go. Aaron, what are you doing?
I'm making it.
There's no grip! This hurts my back.
Come on, Aaron. Come on, Aaron.
Victory! It's really hard. You push on your socks and it doesn't go anywhere. It's a real photo finish.
You start like this.
That was amazing, dude. Aaron, I can't believe you came back and took third, dude. That's what I like to see right there. All right, so the foot race results are Carlos Lastra in last. We have Nigel in second. Fetty taking an early lead, and Aaron is in third. Carlos, you're up first for the SMS1 challenge. Do you have any words to say before we start?
Ow, in advance.
Whenever you pop is when you start. Count it.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh! Heel flip, kick flip. Dude, that was literally insane. What was that, like 20-something seconds? Okay, Nigel, Carlos has gone. It's now your turn to go. Do you think you can take him down?
Yeah.
On the first pop, in 3, or whenever you're ready. Count it.
Oh no!
This is not okay.
Good. Oh, no.
I hate you, Gabe. I hate you with a passion right now, Gabe.
Yes, that's time. 1 minute and 29 seconds? Yeah. Wow. Really well done, Nigel. Really well done. Hey, it was nice knowing you.
Thanks.
Good. Come on. Good. Time. Yes. You ripped your entire... Oh, you cut your foot.
Because they're just mesh on top. They're not like actual socks.
Dude.
All right, Aaron, you ready?
I gotta film a video part. I can't be injuring my feet, right? I gotta film tomorrow. All right, you ready?
Land everything first
Timer?
try.
Full send?
Oh, there you go.
No, nobody does that.
You got it, dude.
What
You got it, dude. You could win this.
You and I both know I ain't heel flipping with no shoes on. Mother of Mary. Dude,
You can do it, dude.
my feet are bleeding. My toenails are in my chest. This is the most pain I've ever felt in my entire life. Except for maybe that one time during Christmas when I stepped on those Christmas ornaments. Actually, you know what? That was better than this.
Uzi, let me know when he passes Nigel's time, and then we can just call it there. All right, let's not put you through any unnecessary pain.
This is the Olympics, Gabe. It's nothing but unnecessary pain in the Olympics. Thrown in the towel.
He gets.
One of these infinite. Legend has it, he's still going for it.
How did y'all do that?
Everyone's boards are now lined up on the 3-foot side. You guys got to stay on this side. So the most important thing of this race is getting here first on foot. So you guys are gonna start over there on top of that bank. 3, 2, 1, go. Not on one, on go. You guys are gonna run over there. Grab your boards. Nigel, you listening? You gotta drop in, rock to fakie, go back to tail stall in that order, and the second you hit tail, you finish. Carlos has suggested that once you do the tail stall, you run back and touch the wall. I'm okay with that. Heels have to be on the wall.
How do you even get up
Hands
there?
and heels?
Hands and heels. 3, 2, 1, go! Did you do it? You looked like you had the time of your life.
I got a good running start. That's why.
The best clip.
That was quick. The winner of that event, Carlos Lastra. Second place, Fetty Potter. Third place, Aaron. And last place, Nigel.
I was living like an Avenger. I was like, whatever it takes. I try to push Carlos.
The gold medalist is Fetty. Second place winner is Carlos. Third place is Nigel. The person that has to get waxed is you, my friend.
Let's go! I was looking forward to this the whole game.
This was my best Olympics yet.
Well done, Fetty.
I said nothing is gonna hurt more than this, so I have to go full send on this Olympics.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
I need your arm.
All right, Nigel, how's it going, man?
Dry.
Dry?
Dry.
Dry?
Yeah. So
We got a blow dryer in here.
This is the weirdest video we've ever made.
Set the
Hey,
mood.
doesn't that candle smell so good?
Smells good, so.
Oh my gosh, it's a big strip.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
I should have tried harder. Should have got that SMS one with no shoes. Actually, I think this is less painful than that.
Just ready to go already?
What do you mean? Hold on. What are we doing? I thought Fetty was gonna pull it. He won.
Nigel's the expert.
You gonna pull it?
Nigel's the expert.
I don't feel anything. You know it hurt way worse? SMS one with no shoes. That wasn't so bad. Oh, ew! Yeah, I think it needed to set more. It's just like sticky. That wasn't so
It
bad.
is pretty red though.
should we clean it up with a smaller strip?
Yeah. Probably.
No!
Is everybody gonna do a strip of their leg? Brotherhood, right here.
You wanna do it?
Yeah, I'll do it if you do it.
I'll do it. Do we have enough strips for all of us?
Yeah, do you see how many strips?
All right, I'm down for it. Let's do it.
Alright, just go, Gabe.
All right, I think I'm good.
Go.
Okay. Is it bad?
Good!
Mother.
Is it bad?
It's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's still too bad.
I'm freaking out, dude. Just hurry up. Well, it wasn't that bad.
I leave for 1 second, I
Nigel-
come back and there's a
Nigel did
spa. A huge thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. They give you an incredible platform to create your own website. They have beautiful award-winning templates where you can create your own website or your online store. Just bada boom, bada bing, you got it. On this platform, you never have to install anything, patch anything. You don't have to be some kind of genius coder. You just get on there, use the templates, set it up, and your site is going to look great. There's also award-winning 24/7 customer support, so if you're ever running into problems, just call them up. They got you. They got your back. Squarespace is used by a wide range of creatives, people that make music, artists, restaurants, any kind of website. You got it. Go to squarespace.com/Braille Skate for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase. Let's go. Nothing like a sweaty armpit after a hard day of skating.
Hey, Luke, how'd you think of that, huh? Should we wax lip?
There you go. There we go. Hola, doggo.
All right, let's go put you back in the office.